Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide by x on numerator and denominator because the highest one that is about x, the highest of this one x squared under the square root, so that is about x. That's why we need to divide by x on numerator and denominator. So this one will go inside the square root, so that should be like this. Because the square root of x squared, you got about x. This one we have number 1. S squared divided by s squared, we have number 1, so we have number 4. When s approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 3 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we can simplify like this. And this one we have 1 over 2. The square root of number 4, we have number 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.